What if I told you glowing skin has nothing to do with expensive products? Some people glow naturally, even without makeup, filters, or treatments. Meanwhile, others spend hundreds of dollars and still struggle with dull skin. Today, I'm revealing real, science-backed skin glow secrets that actually work. These are not trends. These are habits used by people with naturally radiant skin. Watch this video till the end, because one mistake you're making daily is silently destroying your glow. Number 2, glow starts from inside your body. Your skin is a mirror of your internal health. No cream can fix what dehydration, poor digestion, and nutrient deficiency destroy. If your gut is unhealthy, your skin becomes dull. If you don't drink enough water, your skin loses elasticity. True glow begins when your body is nourished properly. Drinking water, eating fiber-rich foods, and supporting digestion can improve skin visibly within weeks. Number 3, foods that create natural glow. Your skin cells are built from what you eat daily. Processed food damages collagen. Sugar accelerates aging. But foods rich in vitamin C, omega-3, antioxidants, and zinc rebuild skin from inside. Avocados improve elasticity. Berries brighten tone. Nuts strengthen skin barriers. Your face literally becomes what you eat. Number 4, skincare. Mistakes. Running your glow. More skincare does not mean better skin. Overcleansing strips natural oils. Harsh products damage your skin barrier. Your skin needs protection, not punishment. Gentle cleansing twice daily is enough for healthy glow. Simple routines outperform complicated ones. Number 5, night routine for maximum glow. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Poor sleep equals dull skin, dark circles, and fine lines. Using a lightweight moisturizer and sleeping 7 to 8 hours boosts collagen naturally. Avoid screens before bed. Blue light damages skin repair cycles. Beauty sleep is real. Number 6, sun protection. Sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. Dark spots, wrinkles, uneven tone, all caused by UV exposure. Daily sunscreen protects collagen and maintains glow. Even indoor light damages skin over time. Sunscreen is not optional. It's essential. Number 7, final secret: consistency changes everything. There is no magic product. Only habits practiced daily create long-term glow. Consistency beats genetics. Small changes repeated daily transform your skin forever. Start today. Your future skin depends on it. Like, subscribe, and share if you want real skin glow secrets without filters or fake promises.